all the way from Boston to Dallas to get the ring dinger.
Correct.
5 bulging discs in your low back.
Yep.
Severe pain going down.
Correct.
Oh. Make your belly into jelly.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh my God.
Keep breathing.
I don't even know what to do.
Just relax.
Wow, I've never felt anything like that.
Feel it go all the way down.
Yeah,
Good.
I did.
Still kicking too.
Feels good.
When was the last time you were this loose?
Never.
Never.
I was bored, maybe.
Did this work more for your low back than the epidural steroid did?
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, immediately.
Your low back pain was a 7. What is it right now?
0.
0.